Are you interested? Interested? Hello. Are you interested, Mahima? Hello. Hello, Mahima.
Good morning, my dear students.
సార్ మహిమ అనే అమ్మాయికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటుంది, తర్వాత నువ్వు ఏం మాట్లాడింది అర్థం కావట్లేదు. అంటే ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అండి.
ప్రాసెస్ తెలుసు అంటున్నా, అర్థమైంది.
నిన్న చెప్పా అదే అనింది అని.
అందరూ మిగతా 3 క్యాండిడేట్స్
ఈమెకు ఒకదానికి చేసిన
మిగతా 3 క్యాండిడేట్స్ కూడా నిన్నటి వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ మన ప్రొఫైల్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళని యాడ్ లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాం. మరి వాళ్ళకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే చెప్పావు ఇట్లా ట్రైనింగ్ జరుగుతుంది
నిన్ననే చెప్పా సార్ అందరికి. అదే
ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేస్తాం గ్రూప్లో అనేసి అన్నప్పుడు
అర్థం కావట్లేదు అసలు.
నేను చెప్పిన ప్రాసెస్ అదే కాల్ చేసి మీరు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ ట్రైనింగ్ జరుగుతుంది, ఇది మీ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అయితే వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో యాడ్ చేసి ట్రైనింగ్ లింక్ కూడా పంపిస్తాం, సెషన్ జాయిన్ కావండి అనేసాను. 3 నుంచి 4 PM వరకు సెల్ఫ్ స్టడీ సెషన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది డైలీ, అది కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఈవినింగ్ వరకు అప్లోడ్ టెస్ట్ లింక్ పంపిస్తాం, రాయండి అనేసాను. అప్పుడు క్వాలిఫై అయితేనే ఉంచుదాం, లేదంటే రిమూవ్ చేసేద్దాం. అట్లా చెప్పి అట్లా క్లియర్గా చేస్తా. డీక్యూవా చూడు అంకిత కెసరెడ్డి ఒక 3 days వచ్చింది, నిన్న లెఫ్ట్ అయింది గ్రూప్. కామర్త లేహ మొన్ననే అప్లోడ్ టెస్ట్ రాసి ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అన్నది, నిన్న లెఫ్ట్ అయింది. ఏం చెప్పాలి ఇంకా కూడా ఎవరో లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు. ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు. ఇగో దన్న జ్యోతి అనే క్యాండిడేట్ మొన్ననే రాసింది అప్లోడ్ టెస్ట్, నిన్న లెఫ్ట్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళందరూ అటెండెన్స్ ఏం చేయాలి? వదిలేస్తా, కానీ వాళ్ళది అంకిత కసిరెడ్డి 3 days 2 days నుంచి రాలేదు. నాకు అప్పుడే అర్థమైంది లెఫ్ట్ కదండి, రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇంకా మైనా స్వరూప అనే క్యాండిడేట్ కూడా లెఫ్ట్ అయింది నిన్న. మొన్ననే రాసింది అప్లోడ్ టెస్ట్. ఎందుకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటారు మ్యామ్, ఓరియంటేషన్ పెడితే దీంట్లో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేసి అన్నారు. టెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన క్లాసులు ఉన్నాయి, లెఫ్ట్ అయింది. నేను ఇట్లా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఓరియంటేషన్ ఇట్లా 6 ఉన్నారు 7 ఉన్నారని మా మ్యామ్ చెప్తున్నాను, లెఫ్ట్ అవుతున్నాను. అవునా, నెంబర్ చెప్పు కావాలని.
మహిమా నంబర్ 8390.
Good morning.
93930
85300.
Good morning.
అప్లోడ్ టెస్ట్ రాస్తా అన్నారు కదా, ఏం పేరు?
మహిమ.
Ethel sir, good morning. Can we start right now?
యా సార్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్.
Yeah. So, good morning, my students. Last class we have completed first part of introduction to cyber security. If any new students are there, please let me know.
Sir, just wait 5 minutes, sir. New students are joining. You can continue the class.
Okay. 5 minutes. Okay.
ఇంకా
పావని, జీ పావని 7981.
తనే ప్రాసెస్ చెప్పాలి అనేసి అన్నది. 7981
6693
669308.
8.
ఇగో కాల్ చేశాను నిన్న, ఈరోజు ఉంది కాల్ చేశాను నిన్న తనకి.
నిన్న కాల్ చేసి చెప్పినా కదా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అంటే
పావని. ఓకే, ఇంకా 2 క్యాండిడేట్స్కి చేసేది అడుగు.
సారీ నేమ్ చెప్పలేదు
ఏంటిది
నేమ్
వత్సల జనరోటి ఆట వత్సల జనరోటి ఆట ఇంత డిపెండెన్స్ ఇక్కడ మనమే చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం యాడ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు పావని కదా, పావని మహిమ
మహిమ పావని
సాల్మత్ జాయిన్ ది క్యాండిడేట్.
Hello, good morning. I'm calling from Advanced Technology regarding job opportunity. Yesterday I told you about cybersecurity training. Are you interested? Right Technologies regarding job opportunity. తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేయాలి
అంత లైట్ తీసుకో. Sir, you can continue, sir. They will join.
Okay. Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have completed the first part of fundamentals of cyber security. First module, introduction to cyber security. So here are the 12 modules we are going to cover. Parallelly we are running with the introduction to cyber security Python programming, because we are implementing cyber security applications by using Python programming. The subjects like we need to implement computer networks, cloud computing, information security, network security, cryptography, application security, security auditing, cyber forensics, mobile security, ethical hacking. So this is the syllabus of introduction to cyber security. We have completed fundamentals of cyber security. You need to know the definition of cyber security. Just I am reminding, cyber security is a way of protecting computer networks, servers, data center and network against cyber attacks or cyber criminals or malicious attacks. That is called cyber security. Today we are going to see the components of cyber security and workflow of cyber security, and followed by the remaining topics like fundamentals of information security, threats, attack categories and hacking, cyber security controls, introduction to network security, introduction to IDAM, identity and access management, introduction to cyber forensics, introduction to application security, introduction to data center, cloud security. That I am going to do. This is a syllabus of Python programming. This is a syllabus of computer networks. This is a syllabus of cloud computing and information security syllabus, network security syllabus, cryptography syllabus and application security syllabus, and security auditing and cyber forensics, mobile security, ethical hacking. Up to 12 modules. There are 12 modules of a cyber security program, and including with real-time applications and a list of new topics we have incorporated in the existing syllabus and followed by the projects. List of projects in cyber security I am going to explain. Okay.
ఎవరి
So 21
కావాలని నేను
projects are
చెప్పా
there.
కదా
At the
ఆమె ఇది
last,
ట్రైనింగ్
I am
అనేసి
going to
అడుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు
demonstrate all these 21.
దిస్ వాజ్ ట్రైనింగ్ మ్యామ్ అంటుంది
So
అప్ టు
last
31st
class I
డిసెంబర్
have
అంట
explained the
నేను
prerequisition
చెప్పా
of
సార్
cyber
ఆమెకి ఇప్పుడు కూడా
security.
మళ్ళీ
You
అసలు
need to
ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్
have
హైరింగ్ 4 months ఆఫ్
the
ట్రైనింగ్
jargon of cyber security, terminology of
4 months అని చెప్పా అంటే
cyber
కాస్ట్ అని
security.
అడుగుతుంది కాదు
free of
అని
This is
cost.
prerequisition of
స్టైఫండ్
data
ఇస్తారంటే
science.
కాదు అన్న ఆమె
Prerequisition of cyber security. You need to know computer, networking, operating system, programming, software, hardware, servers, data
కొంతమంది అట్నే
center,
అంటారు
computer networks,
చెప్పినా
and
కూడా
cyber
చెప్పలే అనేసి
security.
అంటారు
This is the technical name of cyber security's board club. And this is the measuring of the data in cyber security. Wherever data is there, there you can expect security issues. That's why we need to know the fundamentals of how do we measure the data in cyber security. Computer understands only ones and zeros. The way we are measuring the data in bits, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and so on. This is the terminology we are using. So in the first module, Introduction to Cyber Security, I have completed first one, fundamentals of cyber security. The beautiful definition of cyber security is the practice of protecting network, computers, servers, data center, and other programs from the attacks of cyber criminals. That is called cyber security. And where do I start the cyber security? Cyber threat, I have explained cyber threat evolution, history of cyber security statistics, and global cyber crime damage, the year 2021. These are the top 10 most common passwords used in worldwide. Don't use simple passwords like this password India 123 ABC
మనం లాస్ట్
123
సేవ్ చేసుకున్న నెంబర్ ఏమన్నా గీతాంజలి
Don't use. These are the 6 big cyber risks for 2021, and these are the cyber security threats in 2021. These are the branches of cyber security like network security, system security, application security, information security, web security, mobile security, etc. And the biggest challenges in the year 2022, like the increase in cyber attacks, supply chain attacks are on the rise, cyber pandemic continues, cloud services are a primary target, ransomware attacks are on the rise, mobile devices introduce new security risks. I have explained cyber security methods for cyber security, elements of cyber security through application security. I have explained the ABC of cyber security with cyber safety, and these are the 5 categories of cyber security like Internet of Things security, critical infrastructure security, application security, network security. Cyber security too. So why is CIA triad so important? And cyber security terminology, 5 reasons why cyber criminals attack, and the reasons for cyber crimes and mechanisms used, cyber security standards, terminology, jargon of cyber security I have explained. These are the confidentiality tools, using a cyber security framework for web application security. Yes. So up to first part is completed. Today I am going to start with the in detail knowledge of components of cyber security. My dear students, please listen carefully. When we discuss data and information, what is data? Data is raw material, and information means processed data is called information. We must consider the CIA triad, means confidentiality, integrity and availability. CIA triad gives us a model for industry or organization. What is model? Model means simplified version of the reality. The CIA triad refers to an information security model made up of the three major components. Those are the confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality means how securely you are protecting your data in server, system, data center. Integrity means how integrity means you are integrating multiple files as a single entity, and that is called integrity. And availability means 24/7 you are getting service from the cloud environment or from CIA triad, etc. So different elements of cyber security are application security. In the applications like the apps, how you are providing security for the apps. Information security. Information means processed data is called information. Security means protecting the data from the system. Disaster recovery planning. Whenever calamities happening or man-made terrorism happening, by the time how you are retrieving data from the user, how you are providing security for the all applications. And operation
అందులో
security
5 members,
is nothing but
2 members అట్లా
whether you are
నేమ్స్
opening
చెప్పండి
a file, closing a file, those are the operations of security.
మమిత అవుతుంది,
Including these
సిద్ధాలు ఏమాత
elements
అవుతుంది,
of cyber security,
జాహ్నవి
there are
కావట్లేదు,
three
అలా
important
అవుతుంది,
components. Those
పల్లవి
are the
ప్రవళిక
people,
అవుతుంది,
processes,
అస్విత కూడా
technology.
అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా,
People
అయ్యి
means
అనుకుంటా అస్విత లేదు
you
కావట్లేదు.
can call it as a users, end users,
అశ్విత వాళ్ళ సర్నేమ్ ఏంటి చెప్పు.
and peers,
శ్రీ
authorization
అశ్విత
control,
ఏంటి
written procedures, qualifications, professional
శ్రీ అశ్విత
skills
అనే
and
క్యాండిడేట్ అయితే
techniques,
అవుతుంది, వేరే
training and awareness,
జ్యోతి
physical security, etc. Processes is nothing but management systems, policies, procedures, handling of vendor, third parties, drills and audit regimes.
కావట్లేదు.
And technology means application of science,
అటెండెన్స్ రాసి
antivirus,
తెలుసు.
firewalls, intrusion detection system, software updates, patches,
అట్నే అంటారు.
test, functional testing, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, etc. These are the three major components of cyber security. Technology consists of antivirus, firewalls, intrusion detection system, software updates and patches, and the test includes functional testing. There are two types of in software engineering: functional testing and non-functional testing. Okay, so non-functional requirements like security, availability, reliability, those are the non-functional requirements. And these are the components of cyber security. The third component is the workflow of cyber security. See, workflow for cyber security incident response team, they have implemented in a simulation. Within large organizations or industry, the defense of cyber assets generally involves the use of various mechanisms such as intrusion detection systems to alert the cyber security personnel to suspicious network activity. Okay, to alert the cyber security personnel to suspicious network activity. Information flow is a fundamental concept underlying the security of a system. So, confidentiality of information in a system can be breached through unrestricted information flow. So we need to concentrate on what is the workflow of cyber security. So usually we are following an instant response team which they have implemented, intrusion detection system who entered into my network, then to alert the cyber security personnel to suspicious network activity. So confidentiality of information in a system. The 10 steps to an effective approach to cyber risk security is 10 steps. We need to remember workflow. This workflow of cyber security consists of 10 steps to an effective approach to cyber security is risk management, which is secure configuration, network security, managing user privileges, user education and awareness, incident management, malware prevention, monitoring, removable media
4 months training
controls,
is
and home and mobile working.
4 months training
These
is
are the top 10s. Please see here. Risk
percentage
management,
percentage family income.
what type of risks are attacked or what type of risks are raised in system, network and host level security. Secure configuration. We need to configure with the help of various security mechanisms by using tools and techniques. Network security, at the network level, how you are providing security with the help of firewall, CyberArk, etc. Managing user privileges means we are providing user authentication, username and password privileges. User education and awareness, incident management, malware prevention. Malware is a kind of attack. So malware is a virus or a collection of vulnerabilities. Ransomware is the best example for malware. Monitoring means we are monitoring how many users are user profiles are created, how many viruses are attacked in that system, and we are finding vulnerabilities of the system. Removable media controls like USB drives, pen drives, flash drives, and home and mobile banking. These are the mobile working. By using mobile working also we are performing various activities, and by using cyber security approach. These are the workflow of cyber security. We'll see the incident response team. Workflow of cyber security. See, please understand this one. First, what type of attack is happened in the network level? Incident handler. What type of incident handler? Then forensic analyst. So in this incident handler, you need to know review alerts. Then forensic analyst understand, network analyst evaluates risks, incident coordinator mitigation, malware analyst, so it analysts deeper dive. So rapid response security team, what they are flowing workflow. So corporation IT networks, information technology networks, then take system of network, and vulnerability means errors, viruses. Vulnerability assessment, see new threat, intrusion detection, can monitor for activity. Then cyber policies, protections put in place, and password admin. This is the workflow of cyber security. And the fourth concept is fundamentals of information security. There are three principles of information security you must remember. The basic tenets of information security are: information means process data, security means protecting data from the system or server or data center. Information security concepts are confidentiality, integrity and availability. Together they are called as the triad.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటారులే కానీ వాళ్ళు
Confidentiality
వేరే
is
ట్రైనింగ్
the
ఉంటారు కదా,
protection
మనకి
of
ఇప్పుడు ఈవినింగ్ 3 to
information
4 సెల్ఫ్
in the
స్టడీ సెషన్
system
ఉంది.
or server
అప్పుడు
or
జాయిన్
data
కాదు మళ్ళీ.
center,
ఒకరో ట్రైనింగ్కి అయితే
so that
సెల్ఫ్ స్టడీకి గారు,
an
సెల్ఫ్
unauthorized
స్టడీకి అయితే
person
ట్రైనింగ్కి
cannot
గారు.
access it.
ఇదైతే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది
Means
అనమాట. వేరే
until
ట్రైనింగ్
unless
ఉన్నారంటే
you are
తీసుకోకు, నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ అడ్మిషన్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ
not
నువ్వు ఫోన్
not
చేసినట్టు
a
వేరే
authorized
ట్రైనింగ్
person,
అన్నారనుకో,
you
దిస్
cannot
ఇస్
access
కంప్లీట్
it.
ఆన్లైన్ ఫుల్ టైమ్
It
ట్రైనింగ్,
is called
ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్
confidentiality.
అనదర్ ట్రైనింగ్, యు ఆర్ నాట్
See,
ఎలిజిబుల్ అడ్మిషన్.
even
వేరే ట్రైనింగ్ ఉన్నారంటే
defense
అసలు వద్దు,
system,
తీసుకోకు.
you cannot enter into their
మధ్యలోనే
website
వీక్తారు
until
వాళ్ళు.
unless you are
ట్రైనింగ్ అంటే
a
you're not eligible
authorized
అని
person.
You are
That
not
is the
eligible. It is completely full time online training.
Means
I think
they
you are not
protecting
available
the
for this
information,
training. You are already in
protection
another
of
training.
information
No,
in the
తీసుకో.
server level or data center level, so that an unauthorized person cannot enter into that building. Even DRDO is slow. You cannot enter without permission, without authorized person. So then integrity means, integrity means that data or information in your system is maintained so that it is not modified or deleted by unauthorized parties. That means we have integrated with help of data or information as a authorized person, but nobody can alter the data, nobody can modify the data. In mind, confidentiality means protection of information. Integrity means you cannot modify or delete until unless you are an authorized person. Okay. Then availability. Availability means 24/7 the service is available. Availability is one of the 3 basic functions of security management that are present in all systems. That means 24/7 this confidentiality and integrity is present. So I may be asking a multiple choice bit. So what is the meaning of confidentiality in cyber security? You need to answer protection of information until unless you are an unauthorized person. So then integrity means you need to answer not modified or deleted data until unless you are an unauthorized person. Availability means including with the 3 basic functions of security management that are present in all the systems. It is available in all the system servers or in an organization or industry. So that is called fundamentals of information security. If you see CIA triad is a model used for industry. With the help of this one, we are protection of data and we are implementing confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality means if you are an authorized person, you are allowed to protect the data. Protection of data. Okay. Until unless you are an authorized person, you are making the system as perfect. Integrity means you cannot modify the data, you cannot alter the data or information if you are not an authorized person. If you are an authorized person, you can modify, you can alter it. Availability means it is available in all the systems 24/7. That is called availability. So this is called CIA triad. CIA triad is a structure or a model for any organization. How do you protect the data? How do you maintain the confidentiality data? How do you maintain integrity of the data? And how do you maintain availability of the data? This is fundamentals of information security. The 3 letters in CIA triad stands for confidentiality, integrity and availability. I have explained. So why we are using this one CIA triad? It is used to finding vulnerabilities and methods for creating solutions. Okay. CIA triad are used to They mean CIA triad. You can call it as CIA triad.
ఇప్పుడు
So I'm going
ఫోన్
to
ఆన్సర్
give
చేసి
you
ఇంట్రెస్ట్
multiple
ఉన్న త్రీ
times
క్యాండిడేట్స్
question
నంబర్స్ నాకు ఇచ్చావు
at the
పావని
end of the
క్యాండిడేట్
training.
మహిమ
CIA
క్యాండిడేట్స్
triad expansion.
మెయిల్ ఐడి
You need to write
నేమ్ ఇట్లా కాపీ
confidentiality,
పేస్ట్ చేసి నాకు
integrity and
స్టేట్
availability.
కాపీ చేసి
So CIA
Aptitude test
triad are used
అప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ లింక్
for
పంపిస్తా
finding
ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ రాస్తారు ఈ
vulnerabilities and
సెషన్
methods
అయిపోయింది
for creating solutions. Cybersecurity aims to protect computers, networks, and software programs from such cyber attacks.
ట్రైనింగ్లో ఉందా తను
So that is the aim of
ఎవరో ట్రైనింగ్
cybersecurity.
ఉన్నారన్న
Most of these digital attacks are aimed at accessing,
ట్రైనింగ్ ఉందన్నదా
accessing the
పెట్టాలి
data, altering the
ట్రైనింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్
data, deleting sensitive information, extracting money from victims, or interrupting normal business operations. This is called digital attacks. Then fifth concept is threats, attack categories and hacking. So what is meant by cybercrime? Give an example of cybercrime. So cybercrime means, cyber means it is related to computer system. Cyber is related to information technology. Cyber is related to virtual reality. Called cyber crime. Crime is nothing but related to computer terminology, information technology, virtual reality, with help of electronic gadgets. That is called a cyber crime. So the following are threats, attacks and hacking. So examples are hacking, SQL injection, theft of file transfer protocol password, cross-site web scripting. I am going to explain in detail. Virus decimation, data diddling, denial of service attack, email bombing and spamming, web hacking, cyber stalking. So you need to know types of cyber threats. See here, cyber threats countered by cyber security are threefold, like cyber crime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism. Please remember there is a difference between cyber crime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism. How do you can differentiate, segregate these three terminology types of cyber threats? See, cyber crime includes single actors or group of actors or group of persons targeting systems for financial gain or to cause destruction. That comes under cyber crime. A group of people, so groups targeting systems for financial gain, they need to get the money or to cause destruction. That comes under cyber crime. Cyber attack means it often involves politically motivated information gathering. See, some politicians, they are threatening to some people, politically motivated and information gathering. Such type of attack is called cyber attack. Then cyber terrorism is intended to undermine electronic systems to cause panic or fear. So cyber terrorism with the help of electronic systems to cause damage, to cause attack, panic or fear. That is called cyber terrorism. These are the three types of cyber threats. Then what is meant by malware? See, each one I am going to explain. Malware is a type of yeah. Hello. Yeah, please. Yeah, please ask me. Chandana, who is that?
Pavitra, I just wanted to know about cyber terrorism again.
Yeah. See, with the help of mobile or with the help of system or with the help of any server, you are attacking to the other networked environment system. With the help of any electronic device, you are attacking and stealing the money from others or with the help of electronic system, you are sending fake mails to the public or group of users or executive persons. So that is called cyber terrorism. Example, malwares. Okay, so malware is a type of malicious attack, usually Nigerian people doing. They are sending a group of mails to the group of members with the help of electronic systems. So it causes a panic or fear. You won the lottery, 1 crore. Immediately you are surprised and fear. How come? I won the lottery without any purchasing ticket. So that comes under cyber terrorism. Pavitra, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah. Next, malware. Malware is a type of malicious software. Malicious means vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities means viruses. So, maybe virus. What is a virus expansion? Vital information, resource under siege, or spyware that gets activated when a user clicks a link or any malware affected website. That is called malware. Ransomware is an example. Ransomware is an example of malware. You know ransomware? Ransom means Russia currency. In the year 2021, one Russia student, one university student created a virus. So that virus is called ransomware. It is a malicious software, malicious virus or a spyware. What it does, it will attack on your system. It will take over, complete control, take over by that person. Until unless you pay the ransom. Means ransom is $1 of Russia currency. If you pay the amount, then only he can release your system control user profile like username and password. Such type of attack is called malware. Keep in mind. And emotet. Emotet, an advanced banking based malicious software.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వాళ్ళ పక్కన రిఫరెన్స్ ఇది పెట్టుకుంటున్నావా?
Emotet.
పెట్టుకో మరి.
Emotet is nothing but related to your personal banking or banking related sensitive information.
ఎందుకంటే నీ క్యాండిడేట్స్ అన్నట్టు.
That based on malicious software that affects banking operations. Such type usually in India. We are calling from the bank. Please tell me your 16-digit credit card number. We will assist you how to do. They are asking the PIN number, everything. Such type of sensitive banking operations, those people are attacking. That comes under emotet. Then denial of service or a distributed denial of service. It is a one type of cyber attack, and a group of people or a person, series of cyber attacks continuously is attacking on your system with help of queries, with the help of or with the help of any kind of attack that floods a computer or network, so it cannot respond to request. So until unless you make a response, then they will take over your system into their hands. Then up to that time, they are continuously attacking on your system. That is called a denial of service. Then phishing. Phishing attacks use fake communication. Fake communication means you you organize your company like fake communication, and you got job opportunity at Microsoft and Google. They are creating fake documents. Such type of communication and attacks is called phishing. Such as an email they are sending, you have been selected for so and so Capgemini, TCS, Infosys, etc. to trick the receiver into opening it and carrying out the instructions inside. They will assist you what to do. First you have to do registration, then go to minimum registration fee. Like that, they are giving instructions. Such type of attack is called phishing. Then SQL injection. SQL means structured query language. So a structured query language injection is a type of cyber attack that results from inserting malicious code. Means vulnerability code to a server that uses SQL. Continuously you are writing DDL, DML, DCL commands, DCL and data, see, those are the SQL commands, transaction command language, okay, and data manipulation language. So you are writing various queries to the database, and you are getting the some information from sensitive information. Such type of attack is called SQL injection. See, malware examples. There are number of different types of malwares includes virus, trojans, spyware, ransomware, adware, botnets. So I have explained ransomware is a one kind of malware, and see, usually it is a software. Software means collection of programs. Program is a collection of instructions. Instruction is a set of rules and regulation. That means cyber criminals or hackers, they are creating a program that is a virus program. Virus is a program. It consists of malicious code. It's errors code. Means vulnerability code. They are creating to disrupt or damage a legitimate user's computer. There are number of different types of malwares, including virus. So virus is a vital information resource under siege. So it replicates itself, a self-replicating program that attaches itself to clean file and spreads throughout a computer system, infecting files with malicious code. That is called virus. Virus examples, you can call it as various viruses are there. That is also comes under malware. Then Trojan. Trojan is a type of malware that is disguised as a legitimate software. Example, cyber criminals or cyber attackers trick users into uploading Trojans onto their computer where they cause damage or collect data. So for your mail, they are saying that you got one file you can download and you can upload. So without reason they are sending a file, without reason they are saying you can upload to a system. So if you do such kind of activity, simply they are damaging your sensible information in the system. That comes under Trojan. Okay, spyware. Spyware is a kind of example for malware. It is a program that secretly records what a user does so that cyber criminals can make use of this information. So I'll give you one real-time example. If you purchase China USB, you know, Universal Serial Bus, USB means pen drive or flash drive. From China, the way back they have done this type of malware attack comes under spyware. They are selling pen drives. What they have done, whenever you are inserting into your system, automatically the complete sensible information will gather into stored in the pen drive. Whenever you are connecting to the internet, automatically that information will be transferred to their systems. See how intelligently China people created such type of pen drives. Okay, that is example for spyware. So spyware could capture a credit card or bank
ఇప్పుడు మీ
details
4
or
months ఆఫ్
sensible
ట్రైనింగ్ ఉంటుంది, అది కానీ
information.
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు.
So that comes under
4 months
spyware.
training ఉంటుంది.
Secretly they are recording. Into pen drive or flash
4 months
drive.
ట్రైనింగ్ ఉంటుంది,
Whenever you are
టెక్నికల్
connecting to
అంతా
the
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
internet,
చేయాలి.
automatically they are getting your information.
వాళ్ళు కొత్త కొత్త
Then
అందుకని ఫస్ట్
ransomware,
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
I have
చేశాక
explained.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటేనే
Comes
డీటెయిల్
under, it is a
చేస్తారు.
malware
అంత కొత్తగా
which
అడుగుతాడు.
locks down a
అవును
user's
అడుగుతుంది
files
ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్స్
and
వాట్సాప్లో
data.
షేర్ చేయకూడదు అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడ
That means
అటెండ్ అయితే అర్థమవుతుంది.
He is attacking your system or server. So you cannot open your system
అట్లా మొత్తం
until
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
unless
చేశాక
you pay the
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటేనే
ransom.
డీటెయిల్ తీసుకొని నాకు పంపి
Ransom is
అప్లికేట్
a
చేసి
dollar
పెడతాను.
of Russia currency. So which the threat of erasing it unless you pay the ransom is paid. That is called a ransomware. With this ransomware malware attack, some crores of money damage happened. Then adware, advertising software which can be used to spread malware. Whenever you are opening a website, automatically right side some pop-ups are coming, pop-ups. That comes under adware, means click this one, click this interesting. Like don't click such type of thing. That comes under adware. Next, botnets.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే
Botnet is nothing but it is a malware related to networks. So infected computers which see the network of malware infected computers which cyber criminals use to perform tasks online without the user's permission. Whenever your system is corrupted, your system is damaged, don't perform any kind of sensible activities or sensitive information activities in your system or network or a server. If you does, automatically attackers attacking on your system through online. They are stealing data, they are stealing your information, etc. That comes under botnets. That means botnets are malware. It is concern related to the infected networking systems, infected computers. That comes under malware. Then these are the types of cyber attacks. Just now I have explained malware, phishing and SQL injection. And now see the domain name service spoofing. Spoofing also one kind of malware attack, cyber attack. So spoofing is nothing but same website. Suppose the cyber Shiksha training having a website, original website. You people are registered as a customers or users. Same website I am also creating and you can also register. Some people without knowing security, they are entering their sensible information data into other websites. It is a fake website. That is called DNS spoofing. Then backdoors. Backdoors is nothing but few people are working. Backdoors means, so without knowing you, they are sending some viruses, some malware activities into a system or network or data center level. So that comes under backdoors. And insider threat. Insider threat means intruders. Without knowing you, they are entering into our system or network level and they are stealing our information. They are taking our sensible information. That comes under insider threat. And drive by download. Whenever you are inserting any drive or performing any kind of online drive, so that time easily attacked by the viruses or malware activities or cyber attacks. Then 0-day exploit is nothing but first day you are releasing your own software. You don't know how many attackers are attacking on in that software, that app, first day. So how easily they are attacking on your system or your application or software, first day. That is called 0-day exploit. And various form jacking is nothing but you are surfing one website, automatically you are entering into another website. That is called form jacking. And eavesdropping attacks is nothing but, so whenever you are opening any kind of untrusted website, unauthorized website, so automatically you are attacked by the malicious software or virus. Such activity comes under eavesdropping attack. Then see malware, one example. Just I am sending anonymous email. See, now I am going to demonstrate a practical of malware. Every day over 60,000 free anonymous emails are sent from our servers, making us the world's largest and most trusted anonymous email service. See, now I am going to show you. Recently I have sent anonymous email. It comes under malware. Okay, if you click this one, see, I am clicking this. This is the website. How to create a anonymous email. See here, you can click.
Sir, Mahima
and check the information. These Nigeria people, what they are doing, they are using sort of mails and see, this is the website. Send anonymous email means anybody can send any type of mails, fake mails. So that comes under malware attack. Enter any email address to start. Suppose I am using @gmail.com, just example. Then see, send anonymous email. So send anonymous email. I am sending receiver's email like receiver@gmail.com. Sender's email, sender @ you can include their any name. Then subject I'm threatening or you won the prize. Won the prize. I'm writing, that is a subject. Dear sir, I'm writing a mail. Yes sir. You won the lottery of 1 crore. Please collect through registration. Okay. So you are providing your own link. So you are creating abc.com website. So there you need to register like that they are saying. Then CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is a security code. It gives us whether you are a human or inhuman or robot. It will detect. So you are entering that UN something.
తన డీటెయిల్స్
UNVA
ప్రశాంతి శీలం
E
పంపించారా
HAR. This is the captcha. Then send. Enter any email address to start. See, send. So I'm sending. See now, the mail went to some person. Thank you. Your message has been sent. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, but in my mobile it is not visible. I don't know. 1 second, I am checking. Why it is not moving? So okay, this is the way we are sending a malware attack. We are sending a group of people.
దివ్య అనే అమ్మాయి నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అని చెప్పింది, మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేసింది.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుందా?
ఏమనట్లేదు సిక్కాలండి చేయాలి అసలు.
చేశాడు మరి ఇంట్రెస్ట్.
So this is sending anonymous email here. Now this is example for sending anonymous email malware attack. So don't respond to such type of emails. Then SQL injection I have explained. It is a structured query language. Injection is a type of cyber attack used to take control of and steal data from database. Continuously you are writing a queries with help of DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DCL commands, etc. Phishing is when cyber criminals target victims with emails that appear to be from a legitimate company asking for sensitive information. That is called phishing. Okay. Then man in the middle attack. So a man in the middle attack is a type of cyber threat where a cyber criminal interrupts communication between two individuals in order to steal data. See, whenever you two people are talking through phone, somebody will enter into your communication. Sometimes it is happening. So that means some intruders are entering into your communication network. That is called man in the middle attack. They are listening your sensible secret or sensitive information. That is called man in the middle attack. Denial of service I have explained. So denial of service attack is where cyber criminals prevent a computer system from fulfilling legitimate requests by overwhelming the networks and servers with traffic. That is called a denial of service. Okay, so already I have explained this one. We will sort out this denial of service attack. Then latest cyber threats happened in the year in the worldwide. If you see what are the latest cyber threats that individuals and organizations need to guard against. Here are some of the most recent cyber threats happened in the USA, UK and Australia governments have reported on. So Dridex malware. What is meant by Dridex malware? It is happened in the 2019 at the USA Department of Justice charged the leader of an organized cyber criminals group for their part in a global Dridex malware attack. That means this malicious campaign affected the public and government, infrastructure and business worldwide. See, it is see what they have stolen the data or steal the data. Their Dridex malware, what it does, it attacks public people, government people. They are taking their account numbers, They are taking their phone numbers, emails, everything infrastructure related and business worldwide. That comes under Tridex malware. It happened in the year 2019. Then romance scam. It happened in the year 2020. So Federal Bureau of Investigation warned US government citizens to be aware of confidence fraud that cyber criminals commit using dating sites. You know, they are whenever you are opening one site, it redirect to the dating websites, chat rooms and apps, and perpetrators take advantage of people seeking new partners, duping victims into giving away personal data. So these type of dating websites and chat rooms, various attack happened in the year 2021 at USA. Then emotet malware happened in the 2019 at the Australian Cyber Security Center warned national organizations about a widespread global cyber threat from emotet malware. That means this activity related to bank and bank transactions, bank operations. They have done cyber criminals or cyber attackers in Australia, and it happened in all the banks. So that comes under emotet malware. Emotet malware. Then malware threats. So malware threats I have given already examples. So common types of malwares and how they spread. Example, virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware. I have explained all these malware threats. Then malware or malicious is a software which will damage or disable the computer systems and gives limited or full control of the system to the malware creator. Examples: see, virus, Trojan horse, backdoor, worms, rootkit, spyware, ransomware, botnet, adware, etc. So malware is the collective name for a number of malicious software variants, including viruses, ransomware, and spyware, shorthand for malicious software. Malware typically consists of code developed by cyber attackers designed to cause extensive damage to data and systems or to gain unauthorized access to a network. That is called malware. See, malware is the most dangerous form of software to be installed on any computer system or server, and the worst part about it is that it's done without your consent. This malicious form of software is the ultimate various carrier. Examples: worm, malware detection and repair, ransomware, spyware, adware, virus, rootkit. Examples. So this is comes under malware. So this is a cyber crime stock image. What about cyber crime stock image? This is called a cyber crime stock image related to information. Information means processed data. Computer is nothing but electronic device. Internet is nothing but network of networks. Service is nothing but what kind of service, software, infrastructure or platform. Then data is a raw material. Attacks, what type of attacks? Internationally, warfare, theft, network. This is the complete terminology related to cyber crime. That is called as cyber crime stock image. Cyber crime stock image. You can call it as a cyber security stock image. Okay. Then malware. So malware is the dangerous form of software to be installed on any computer system. If you see, I have explained already in this malware attack, it is a kind of malicious software. So this malicious form of software is the ultimate virus carrier. And examples I have explained: ATM fraud, wire fraud, internet fraud, identity theft and invasion of privacy, file sharing and piracy, and counterfeiting and forgery, child pornography, hacking, computer viruses, denial of service attacks, spam, steganography, and email hacking, sabotage. So these are the examples of cyber crimes. Okay, so that is called cyber. You can call it as cyber attacks, cyber crimes. Okay, so 1 second. Next, sixth concept we are going to see.
Am I speaking with Pratisha?
Cyber security controls.
Good morning, Pratisha. I'm calling from Bypass Technologies regarding
Cyber security controls is nothing but it is a mechanism used to prevent, detect and mitigate your cyber threat attacks. Okay, so that is called
From where? Just
so cyber controls is nothing but so we are preventing, detecting and mitigating cyber threats and attacks. So mechanisms range from physical controls such as security guards and surveillance cameras to technical controls including firewalls and multi-factor authentication, etc. Then classifying controls is by type: physical, technical and administrative cyber security controls, and by function: preventive, detective and corrective. So cyber security controls are you can call it as our techniques or mechanism or procedures or algorithms used to prevent data, detect the data and mitigate cyber threats and attacks. Okay, there are three types of this cyber security controls: technical controls, administrative controls, physical controls. Administrative controls means user ID, user profile creation, monitoring the data at the administrative level. And technical control, by using tools and techniques we are controlling these attacks. Then physical control with the help of politicians or with the help of defense system we are controlling. So if you see operational security, management security, physical security. If you see physical security, it protects the data, personal, hardware from various physical threats that could harm or damage or disrupt business operations. It also protects confidentiality, integrity or availability of systems and our data at text. Okay, systems and our data. That is called physical security. Operational security means it helps in measuring the effectiveness of security controls and referred as a technical controls. It includes access control, security topologies. Topologies means a network kind of star topology. Plus, there are various topologies, authentication, etc. that apply to networks, systems and applications. Management means administrative controls related to. This is the overall design of security controls. That is also referred to as administrative controls. This includes the guidance, procedures, rules, etc. related to implementation of security measures. etc. Okay. So the seventh concept is introduction to network security. Network means collection of interconnected systems is called a network. So at the network level, how you are providing network security protects your network and data from breaches, intrusions and other threats. So network security is a set of technologies that protects the usability and the integrity of a company's infrastructure by preventing the entry or proliferation within a network of a wide variety of potential threats. That is called network security. Network security works to keep the network safe from cyber attacks, hacking attempts and employee negligence. Okay, there are three components of network security: hardware, software and cloud services. Hardware is a physical material which can be touchable. Software is a collection of programs. Program is a collection of instructions. Instruction is a set of rules. Then cloud services. Cloud is a internet based technology, pay and use. There are three types of cloud services: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Software as a service, platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. So what are the aspects of network security? See here, there are four aspects of network security. Privacy. So privacy, message integrity, authentication, non-repudiation. See here, data privacy is nothing but it is the protection of personal data from those who should not have access to it, and the ability of individuals to determine who can access their personal information. That means if you are not an authorized person, you cannot access data from the organization. So that is called data privacy. Message integrity means that a message has not been tampered with or altered. Unless you are an authorized person, you cannot modify the data, alter the data. If you are an authorized person, you can modify the data, you can edit the data, you can do something modification. That is called message integrity. Authentication is used by a server when the server needs to know exactly who is accessing their information or site. So that means identity. They are verifying your username and password. See, in our Cyber Siksha training, Etil Kumar sir is verifying your username and password. Sometimes he is calling, who's this number, who's this name, because of authentication, identity. Non-repudiation is the assurance that someone cannot deny the validity of something. That is comes under non-repudiation. Keep it in mind. Then the eighth concept is introduction to IDAM. IDAM is nothing but identity and access management. Identity and access management provide control over user validation and resources access. So commonly known as IAM. Okay, identity access management. This technology ensures that the right people access the right digital sources at the right time and for the right reasons. So that means if you are a valid author, if you are a valid person for the Cyber Siksha training, then definitely, so it comes under IAM, Identity Access Management. You can access our data, you can listen my videos, you can listen my audio, you can access my data, like that. That is called identity and access management. So IAM ensures that the right people and job roles in your organization identifies can access the tools they need to do their job. See, if you are an Infosys employee, you have a privileges to you can use Infosys tools and information or any kind of data. You can use their canteen, you can use their digital library, anything. Then identity management and access systems enable your organization to manage employee apps without logging into each app as an administrator. See, and one more privilege, whenever you are entering into their building, automatically your mobile is connected because you are a valid user and you have a correct credentials, username and password. That is the use of IDAM, Identity and Access Management. Next, see, application user. So identity and access management gives us a scenario. You can call it as an example. So how it is performing client server technology. See now, client server technology. So application user. You are a user of so and so application 1. You are using a company server. You are using company canteen. You are using company library. So these are the 3 applications. Application 1, you are using company's tools. Application 2, you are using company's techniques. And application 3, you are using company's products, electronics, devices from their servers like user store 1, user store 2, user store 3. Means these are the 3 cloud environments. You are accessing their information because you are a valid person. That is called identity and access management. Next, introduction to cyber forensics. See, forensic cyber means related to computer terminology. Cyber means related to information technology. Cyber means related to virtual technology, virtual reality. So cyber forensics is a process of extracting data as a proof of a crime that involves electronic devices while following proper investigation rules to nab the culprit by presenting the evidence to the court. That is called cyber forensics. With the help of electronic devices, you are capturing the data, you are storing the data, and you are proving the data, and finally, who is a culprit by presenting the evidence to the court. Such type of information process is called cyber forensics. Cyber forensics is also known as computer forensics. Keep in mind. The science of collecting the data, criminals investigation, and inspecting the data, interpreting the data, reporting the data, and presenting computer-related electronic evidence is known as cyber forensics. See, some instant cyber attack is happened. You are collecting the data and you are inspecting who has done, where the IP address came, and interpreting. You are converting that textual information to numbers information. Reporting through reports like scorecards, dashboards, pie chart, bar chart, line chart. You are reporting and presenting computer-related electronic evidence. So that is known as cyber forensics. Evidence can be found on the hard drive or in your deleted files. Even deleted files also we can retrieve, we can access. There is a procedure, don't worry, I am going to share with you. Then there are 9 steps that digital forensic specialists usually take while investigating digital evidence. Okay, what are the 9 steps? First, response. First we are FIR, first information report. That comes under first response. Then search and search and seizure. So evidence collection, securing of the evidence, data acquisition, data analysis, evidence assessment, and documentation, finally reporting. This is about cyber forensics 9 steps. Cyber forensics 9 steps. Okay. So cyber forensics involves the investigation of computer related crimes by providing electronic evidence to support in criminal prosecution of these electronic facilitated crimes. That comes under cyber forensics. Now see, terminology of cyber forensics: computer and network forensics, mobile forensics, and expert witness and litigation support, and data recovery, digital forensics lab setup, cyber crime and digital evidence consulting, and others. So this is the terminology related jargon of cyber forensics. Then last but one topic, introduction to application security. Application is a you can call it as a, the way we are using Gmail is application. Your mobile having many applications like GPay, PhonePe, we are using some apps. For reading purpose we are using one app. For playing games we are using apps. And for chess game we are using app. For seeing any football match we are using app, like that. Application, how you are protecting your system from the attacks. Application security describes security measures at the application level that aim to prevent data or code within the app from being stolen or hijacked. Application security is the process of developing, adding, and testing security features within applications to prevent security vulnerabilities against threats such as unauthorized access and modification. So you can see the related jargon of application security: authentication, authorization, encryption, logging, and application security testing are all examples of application security features. These are the various features of application security. Application security developers can also use code to reduce security flaws in application. Flaws is nothing but errors, threats, and any kind of mistakes, errors that comes under flaws in applications. Malicious, you can call it as a malicious. See, I am using so and so application through internet. How you are protecting your system or server? Application security, application server. We are using various kinds of application servers, that is called a data center. And the last topic today's class, theory session, and after that I am going to demonstrate the practicals. What is meant by introduction to data, data center, cloud security? See, wherever data is presented, there is a security issues are presented. Data is nothing but raw material. Anything can be a data: audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. We have various data centers in the worldwide: Google data center, Microsoft data center, Facebook data center, etc. So then followed by the data center, there are 6 layers of security. So Google data center consists of C. Data center security encompasses the practices and preparations that keep a data center secure from threats, attacks, and unauthorized access. So Data center security is the process of applying controls to protect sensitive data centers from threats that compromise the integrity of business information assets. That is called as 6 layers of security. Now see 6 layers. Google shared a look in and around its data center by showing its 6 layers of security. So this is a Google 6-layer security, you can call it as simply. Okay. So it consists of 6 types. Consists of 6 layers. Consists of 6 layers. 6 layers of Google Cloud. Okay. So what are the layer 1? See, layer 1, signees and fencing. What is by signees and fencing? Google posts signs and has fences around their data center. Suppose my data center is this much height building, surrounding and fencing, surrounding and keeping, beware of dogs, and this building belongs to so and so, this site belongs to, that is called the signees and fencing. That is first layer. Layer 2, secure perimeter. Google can see where you are via cameras, including thermal cameras, with the overlapping fields of view around the facility. That means when you entered and through cameras they are capturing our data. That comes under secure perimeter. Building access, entering the building, not just the floor, requires that one is authorized. Building access is nothing but once you are entering as a valid authorized user, you can get privileges to use that building access. Security Operations Center. Google discusses its Security Operations Center and the systems to monitor its data centers. Data center floor. Data center floor access is limited to technicians and engineers that absolutely need access to that specific floor. So that is called data center floor. Secure hard drive destruction. Google facilitates all have a secure hard drive destruction facility. So this is about Google facilitates also have a secure hard drive destruction facility. These are the 6 layers of Google Cloud, Google Data Center. This is called Google Data Center. You can call it as a Google Data Center. Keep in mind, what is meant by data center? Google Data Center, 6 layers of security. So these are the 6 layers of Google Data Center. Okay. With this one I am closing theory session. Now I am going to start with the practicals. Is it okay, my dear friends?
Harish, I'm calling from right. So previously you have
Any doubts? Okay. So for any doubt, please ask me. 2 minutes. And whenever you get some free time, you can listen my videos and you can subscribe my channel and you can write comments on the videos. Okay. And now I am going to start with the practicals. So I have explained so far. See, this is my command prompt. Who are the newcomers? Please see. First you need to download software from Google, Python software, Windows version. So like this. Okay, just go to Google. Just go to Google. Google.com. Here type Python software, type Python software, and you can click. So here original website. So here go to downloads. See the Python 3.11.1. It is a 22 MB. You can download. Very simple. See, I am downloading. I have already downloaded. No problem. So this is if you go to this folder, you can click like this. So you double click, it will say, it will ask you add path. You need to select whenever first time you are installing, you need to do add path, then only you will get path. So I have already installed, that's why it is modify. Yes. So next, install. So already modified was successful. So now I have opened command prompt, checking, okay, Python, whether my system got installed Python or not. Yes. So I have installed Python 10.8. So now you can perform various operations. This is called Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is a scripting way. Now I am in IDLE, integration, development, learning environment. In order to clear the screen, you can use import OS dot system of CLS. I'm clearing the screen. Python can be executed in two ways. So here you can perform various operations. I have explained, and yesterday Nayan executed all the programs. This is the way you can check C value, you can check A value, you can check B value, etc. Okay, and you can perform D is equal to A minus B, you can check D value, and E is equal to A star B, you can check the multiplication of E, then you can check F is equal to A division by B, you can check F value, okay, 0.66. Then G is equal to A modulo division by B, you can check the quotient. So this is the way you can perform all programs in the IDLE. Here also you can execute a Python program. You see, very simple. Then you can move same thing. If you want to perform, you can go to scripting way, quit and CLS. Now we are in a scripting way. Here you can write a notepad space add.py. I have already executed. Now I am performing. Write a Python program to perform addition using static input. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to A plus B, print C. Same thing. So now I am executing Python space add.py. See, now 3 plus 4 equal to 7. This is the way you can execute all the programs. Let me up to which topic we have executed. Anyone having any idea? We have executed various programs in Python programming. This is the syllabus I have explained already. Who developed Python programming? Guido van der Sar. Python can be executed two ways, IDLE and scripting way. Integration, development, learning environment. Python data types are integer, character, float, double, etc. Python collections are arrays, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries. Python supports mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. Python has single line comments is hash, multi-line comments is triple quotes followed by the triple quotes. Python supports loop statements or for, while, etc. Python is a case sensitive programming language. Python is a popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries or packages or API, application programming interface. Then Python software version is 3.11.1. Python keywords cannot be used as identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits or underscores. Data types are two types, mutable and immutable. Mutable means changeable. Examples are list, set, dictionary, byte array. Immutable means not changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set. Then operator precedence, order of execution of mathematical operations in Python is similar to the order used in conventional mathematics. In maths, there are three general operator precedence priority levels: exponents and roots, multiplication, division and modulus, addition and subtraction. The short form of operator precedence is called BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So Python strings, Python arrays, Python functions, these programs I have executed. These examples we can see data types we have executed. Python collections are this program also we have executed. So Python collections are arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values in one single variable using square brackets. Example, create an array containing car names. Cars is an array name. The square bracket, how many elements are there? 3 elements. Ford, Volvo, BMW. Same thing you can execute in system in IDLE. Same way, list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable using square brackets. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has index of 0. The second item has index of 1. Example, this list equal to apple, banana, cherry. You can call it as a print this list. Then example, tuples. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable with round brackets or parentheses. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0. The second item has index 1. Create a tuple. This tuple equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print this one. Then sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable with curly brackets or flower bases. A set is a collection that is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed and does not allow duplicate values. So create a list, create a set. This set equal to apple, banana, cherry, flower brackets in the double quotation. The last topic, dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key. In data values in key with values pairs or written with the curly brackets. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and do not allow duplicates. This is the way we are creating a dictionary. This dictionary, brand, model, year, print, etc. So these programs you have executed already. This program also you can execute it. Next, Python loops also you have. Have you executed these two programs? My dear participants, write a Python program to perform swapping of. You have executed?
7 interest ఉంది షేర్ చేస్తాను అప్డేట్
Yes, sir.
చెప్పారు.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what about Python loops?
వాళ్ళకి టైమింగ్స్ మీరు అప్డేట్
Tell me.
చేయండి
Can I repeat?
వాట్సాప్ లో
నేను కాల్ చేసి మీకు
Or,
అప్డేట్ ఇస్తాను,
you
మీరు
know,
కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే మెయిన్
Python has two primitive loop commands, while loop, for loop. While loop, with the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. Now write a Python program to demo while loop. I is equal to 1, while I less than colon print I is equal to I plus 1. Who is newcomer? I want to see whether they are able to execute or not this while loop. Hello? Who is newcomer? Please respond.
అరేంజ్ చేస్తాను, అప్డేట్ చేస్తాను వాళ్ళకి. మీరు కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయండి, నేను అప్డేట్ చేస్తాను.
No problem. Please open all of you IDLE command prompt. Please, I want to see one person at least. Who is newcomer? Nobody is responding. Let's see. I'll call randomly now. Okay, because you are not responding. 15 members are there. Who are the 15 members? Nayan, I know. Pratibha, I know. Priyanka. Sheetal.
Yes, sir.
Please share your screen so that I will explain how to execute loop statements. Please.
Yes, sir.
దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేయి.
I'm stopping my screen.
కనబడుతుందా నెంబర్?
Yeah, now you can share.
కనబడుతుంది నెంబర్. అంతే అట్లనే ఉన్నాను ఇంకా.
Sir, I'm not able to share my screen, sir, because it's my office laptop.
Office laptop, okay, no
3:30కి
problem.
చెప్తున్నా అందరికి.
Priyanka. Priyanka, please share your screen.
3:30 to 5.
Sorry, sir, today I don't have my laptop.
అవైలబుల్గా ఉండమని చెప్తాను.
Pratibha,
ఒక పర్సన్కి 3:30కి ఉందంటే సెకండ్ పర్సన్ జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు 3:30కి. 15 minutes
yeah,
టైం
please
కావాలి.
share your screen.
సో ఒక్కొక్కరికి మళ్ళీ టైం
Whether you are able to do or not, I want to check.
అందరికీ 3:30 నుంచి 5
Yes, sir.
అవైలబుల్గా ఉండమని చెప్తారు. ఏ టైంలో అయినా మీటింగ్ లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాం.
It's okay, but just share your screen now. I will extract a few programs you can execute.
చాట్లో ఉంటుంది చూస్తాం.
Currently, are you looking for a job? Are you taking any coaching training?
Until unless you practice, you cannot remember what I am saying.
Currently, you have opportunity.
Why I am explaining extra Python programming? I don't get any benefit because we are executing all programs or application through Python programming only. That's why I'm making mandatory for you to execute all these basic programs. Then we will go to cyber security applications, all the programs in Python only. Priyanka, Pratibha, please share your screen.
Yes,
ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
ఇప్పటివరకు ఒక అమ్మాయి ఉండే 15 minutes వెయిట్ చేసింది. 15 అయితే నేను మళ్ళీ నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే నీ నెంబర్ మీరు షేర్ చేసి నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. కాల్ చేసి చెప్పిన నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అని పెట్టేసాను.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకెంతమంది జాయిన్
ఒక అబ్బాయి ఉన్నాడు. అంటే ఈ మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ కాలేదు కదా, వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవుతా ఉన్నారు.
మీరు అడ్మిట్ చేయకండి.
కనీసం అప్డేట్ చేయలేదు, కానీ తను 15 minutes వెయిట్ చేసి మేబీ
అడ్మిట్ చేయకుండా అంటే జాయిన్ అవ్వరు కదా. సో మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ అయిపోయిందని వాళ్ళే బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళిపోతారు.
Yeah. Why? Pratibha, anything happened? Why you are not sharing?
Yeah, I'm connecting to my laptop. I have connected to my phone. Now I'm sharing with my laptop.
Please try to connect always your system so that you can execute. It is not only theory session. Practical session also I am incorporating.
Hello. Am I speaking with Kavita? Good afternoon, Kavita. I'm calling from Hyperx Technologies regarding job opportunity.
Please execute the remaining students. While loop statement. I have explained while loop statement.
I'm calling from Hyperx Technologies regarding job opportunity. Currently, I'm looking
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the output.
Yes. Show me. Share your screen. Navesri.
Yeah. Sir, but I have executed in Google Colab, sir.
Oh, no problem.
This is an opportunity based on cybersecurity. It's completely full-time training and hiring process. Are you interested?
Any doubts? Please ask me meanwhile.
No. It's free of cost.
Hello.
I have given any homework? Yeah.
Sushmita, I'm calling
Now
from Right
somebody
Class
is,
regarding cyber security. Why you
sharing
left the
screen.
training class?
Is it visible now, sir?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
Please
again
share
you
your
have to try
screen.
and join now. Why you are missing the classes?
Yes, perfect.
See, if you
Yes,
are maintain
perfect.
100% attendance only, you will get the certification
Yeah,
from
it's
DSCI,
correct.
okay?
And Navesri,
yesterday have you
okay.
attended their
I
study session?
asked, okay.
Okay, fine. Maintain
What
your
about
100% attendance, okay? If
Pratibha?
you have any issues, just drop a message in group or call to this number.
Sir,
Be regular
shall
for the
I
classes,
stop
okay?
sharing now?
Yes. So
Okay.
Pratibha would like that. Yeah. Pratibha, share your screen.
Am I speaking to Lakshmi Priyanka? Good afternoon, Priyanka. I'm calling from Hyperx Technologies regarding job opportunity. Currently, are you looking for a job?
Give me some minutes. There is some problem in the lab.
Okay, leave it. So I'm going to share my screen. I will give you some homework for tomorrow's class. Please see here. So this is a while loop statement, then followed by the for loop statement. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, that is either a list or a tuple or a dictionary or a set or a string. For is an iterated method as found in other object-oriented programming languages. With the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once
ఇప్పుడు మనం యాడ్ చేసిన క్యాండిడేట్స్
for
జాయిన్
each
కాలేదు
item
క్లాస్
in a list, tuple set, etc.
Privacy.
Write a Python program
ఆఫ్టర్నూన్
memo
లంచ్
for
చేశాక
loop.
ఒకసారి
You
వాళ్ళ
can
కాలేజ్
write
ఆప్టిట్యూడ్
fruits
టెస్ట్ లింక్
equal
పంపించాను
to
ఆల్రెడీ. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే
apple,
ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్
banana,
రాసి
cherry.
రేపటి నుంచి క్లాస్
For
అటెండ్
X in
అనేసి అని ఉంది.
fruits.
అంటే
Triple
ఇంట్రెస్ట్
text
లేదంటే ఇప్పుడే చెప్పండి,
like this.
రిమూవ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
You will get it.
Join
It will
again.
rotate 3 times.
కాలేదు ఇలా
So
లేదు ఇందులో.
first
ఒక్కరు కూడా లేరు.
first
నిన్న
zero
క్యాండిడేట్ ఉందా,
first
సల్మాకి
iteration
వచ్చింది.
apple, second iteration
సిద్ధాల
banana,
హేమలత,
and third iteration cherry. Like this
తేజస్విని,
you can print for loop
మధ్యన
statement.
అహల్య నువ్వేనా చేసింది?
Then Python strings.
మహిమ
So a string
Mahima
is a
కూడా
sequence of characters. A character is simply a symbol. For example, the English language has 26
నంతా
characters.
రాత్రులే.
Words and sequences are collection of
మహిమ
characters,
రాలేదు, పావని కూడా
and
లేదు.
so are Python strings. The most common
ముబషిరా
functions
నిన్న
used from
క్యాండిడేట్
the
తన
library are
అవుతుంది.
string length, string
ముబషిరా
copy,
ఒకటి,
string
సిద్ధాల
comparison,
హేమలత
string string.
అవుతుంది. ఈ
So
సల్మా తన
defining
క్యాండిడేట్
strings in
అవుతుంది.
Python, see
ఇప్పుడు మనం
my
ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళు
underscore
కాలేదు.
string equal to hello,
మహిమ ఉన్న పావని
and
ఉంటే
print
గీతాంజలి
string.
కదా కాలేదు.
my underscore string equal to hello,
అటు
print
ప్రెస్
my
చేసి
string.
పంపించాను, అటు
My underscore string equal to hello 3 times, print my string. Then my string equal to hello, welcome to the world of Python,
పావని
print my string. It
ఇంకొక
will
ఫోర్త్
print
క్యాండిడేట్
hello, hello, hello,
పంపించాను, అటెండ్
Hello.
అయ్యాను, రేపటి నుంచి ట్రైనింగ్ అటెండ్.
welcome to the world of Python. See, you can see in the below output. You can execute like this. Then Python string operations, string 1 hello, string 2 world. You can use a plus symbol, print str1 plus str2. That means it will print str1 plus str2. Then using star operator multiplication, print star 1 multiplied by 3 equal to star 1 multiplied by 3. So it will print 3. Okay. Then iterating through a string. Count equal to 0 for letter in a hello world. If letter exactly equal to L, count is equal to count plus 1. Print count comma letters form. That means hello world, how many L's are there? Small l, small l, small l. How many times are there? It will count. That is the iterating through a string. Did you executed all of you this program? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have executed this program also. Then Python arrays, we have executed matrix addition, we have done matrix multiplication, matrix transpose, we have done last class. This is multiplication, we have done. Then function. Okay, so function is a set of rules. So how to declare a function? def space my function colon print followed by any statements. Now see, please do all of you this program. Write a Python program to perform demo for functions. Please do all of you. Fname. Okay. See, to perform demo for functions or functions demo. Just I am creating a function. See here, def space my underscore function fname function name colon print parenthesis begin fname plus references. Linus references. You can change. You can give file name 3 times and calling. My underscore function of email, my underscore function of Tobias, my underscore function is Linus.
నెంబర్ నాట్ ప్రొవైడ్ నెంబర్, నాట్ ప్రొవైడ్
You will get output like this, email references. Okay, See here, I am going to execute this program. Very simple program. What I am doing? Go to run command. See here. So notepad. You can also do in ideally notepad functions or functions functions.py. I am creating a new file. So the aim of the program is say hash, write a Python program, to perform functions demo. Okay, now control S, I am define def space my function name of fname, passing parameter fname, colon print fname plus references. You can call it as references.
Hello. I'm calling from Networks Technologies regarding job opportunity.
References. Okay, now control S. So my underscore function 3 times I am calling. Will print. So email references, Tobias references, Linus store references. Now see, you can go to run command Python space
It's completely 4 months of planning, full-time planning and
.py.
hiring process. Are you interested?
The email references, I got output. Email references, Tobias references, Linus references. Can you execute this program right now, please?
It's completely full-time online training and hiring process. Are you interested?
Abo.
Can anyone share your screen? Hello?
Okay, please don't leave the session after completing the class.
Yes, sir.
Just
sir,
hold
I
on,
can share
please
my
don't
screen.
leave the session.
Yeah, please share your screen. Yeah, please execute. Yeah, very good.
Sir.
Yeah, who's this?
So Umra.
Very good, Amma, very good. So I am giving homework for tomorrow. Can you perform homework? 2 programs I am giving.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please write down first homework. Write a Python program.
అలా కాల్ చేసావా అప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ లింక్ పంపించామని
ఇప్పుడు చేయాలా?
చేసాను మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తాను అప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ లింక్ పంపించాము అట నేను అనేసాను ఒకవేళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్
Write a
లేకపోతే
Python
చెప్పండి గ్రూప్
program
నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను అనేసాను
to swap two numbers using third variable with functions. That is first program. Next, second program. Write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number using functions. Write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number using functions.
Naina, already I shared you arbitrary test link to your
In the bracket,
Are you interested or not?
non-recursion.
Hello? Hello, Naina, can you hear me?
Pratibha, can you read homework questions?
Already I shared. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Write a Python program to swap two numbers using
Already I
functions.
shared aptitude test link to your mail ID. Are
Yeah.
you interested?
Next program.
Write a Python program to find factorial of a number using function without recursion.
Very good. So So any doubts, please ask me.
ఓకే మేడం. సార్ ఆమె ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటుంది.
ఎవరు
లింక్ మహిమ
పంపించాను ఆల్రెడీ.
లింక్ పంపించాను, అటెండ్ చేస్తా అంటుంది.
ఓకే.
If no doubts,
ఇంకా
I'm winding the session.
ముగ్గురా గీతాంజలి కూడా
అందరికీ చేసాను, అందరికీ పంపించా ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్. అడుగు
Only
ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్
14
లింక్ షేర్ చేశాను, అటెండ్ అవ్వండి.
also
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే రేపు నుంచి ట్రైనింగ్
11 members.
ఆల్రెడీ జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం. మన చాలా
It is a 31 or 35 students are there. Why students are not coming? I don't know.
Sir, after session I will discuss about that only, sir. That's why I'm saying to the candidates, don't leave the session.
Okay, Until sir. If possible, can you share last 4 classes, 5 classes videos, sir? Until sir.
Yeah, sir. I have already copied to our laptop. Yesterday onwards, I am recording in the laptop only. Yesterday, due to some technical issues, we have not recorded that voice record session. We have only video regarding this class. Today onwards, you will get a voice also.
Okay.
I am sharing the link in group also, sir. You are there in group now.
Please, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's all today's session, my dear friends. Tomorrow, I am expecting that 2 programs homework. Okay, I am leaving the session.
Okay, students, don't be irregular for the classes, okay? If you maintain your 100% attendance, do you get the certification from DSCI, okay? Anisha, tell me your full name. Anisha, please respond. Anisha, Apeksha and Sheetal, be regular for the classes, okay? Don't skip in the middle of training classes. Be regular for the classes, Sheetal. And attend the self-study session also at 3 p.m. Anisha, tell me your full name, Anisha. Anisha.
Sir, Apex.
Okay, Apeksha, tell me your full name.
Apeksha Chandrakant Ramesh, sir.
Apeksha Chandrakant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Sheetal, please respond, Sheetal. Sheetal. Is Sheetal left the class? Anisha, tell me your full name, Anisha. Anisha, why you are not responding? Tell me your full name. If you have any issue, drop me a message in group, okay? WhatsApp group. Mention your full name in WhatsApp group, okay? And attend the self-study session at 3 p.m. Don't be irregular for the classes. If you are irregular for the classes, you didn't get the certification from DSCI, okay? Be regular for the classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, be regular for the classes. If you have any issues regarding health issues or you want any leave, you can drop a message in WhatsApp. Continuous taking of 2 days of leave is not provided, only 1 day. If you have any health issues, you can update me in WhatsApp group. Okay, be regular for the classes and attend the self-study session at 3 p.m. Okay, you can leave now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Is it possible to share that PPT with us in the group?
Sorry, we don't have PPT. We will ask PPT and we will get back to you, okay? Anisha, drop your full name in WhatsApp group, okay?
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah, Ashwita, right?
This is
tell me,
this is
Ashwita.
Pavitra Ashwita, and I have logged in as Dikshita.
Okay,
So
daily
please
you.
make a note of it.
Okay, I'm noting down. Yesterday only I have think to ask you, Dikshita, who is. Yesterday attendance and today's
Okay.
attendance I am taking. Please keep it on mind. Daily I am taking the attendance of self-study session and this training class also. Be regular for the classes, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
If
you,
you
sir.
have any issues, drop the message before the training starts, okay? ఓకే ఫైన్, యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ద సెషన్ నౌ.
ఆమెని యాప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ రాస్తా అని చెప్పింది. మళ్ళీ రేపటి నుంచి క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి, అటెండ్ అవుతా అంటే అని చెప్పింది.
తనకి లింక్ కూడా షేర్ చేశాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ.
ఆ గీతాంజలి అసలు కాల్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు.
టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నవి?
లీవ్ ద సెషన్, లీవ్ ద
నాకు షేర్
సెషన్.
చేసినవి కూడా మొత్తం కలిపి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో ఒక షేర్. కజాస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి